Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we're right now at the main Ashwem Beach, which is a very cool place. It's quite rocky here. If you really want to enjoy the most of Ashwem, you have to go to a place called Laplag, and that beach is very beautiful. If I get a chance to go there, I'm going to show you, but at the moment I'm showing you the main Ashwem Beach. So if you're new to my channel, I'm a local Goan. I do videos here in Goa and I show you some of the best spots to go to, guys. So let's go and check out this Ashwem Beach, guys. So guys, this is the main Ashwem Beach over here. As you can see, this place is really Instagrammable. That tree, those plants, many girls come here especially to click some Instagram photos there. And as you can see, it's very rocky here and it's really cool though. You get some good pictures. This is not really a beach to swim at. If you want to swim, you should go way further down there, and that's where you actually swim. It's really nice there. So what happens is we are going to go around and see what is here. And if you can see, that is so cool. That whole wall is full of cactus basically. So that's really cool. I've never seen cactus grow next to the beach before, especially in salt water. Look, this because the water keeps on banging into these rocks here. And cactus, wow, that's incredible. So okay, let me just show you a 360 view of this area. So it's a very rocky hill that comes down to this place, and those are famous shacks that side, which is Laplag, and there are many other this thing. And if you go a little further down, that side is Marabella Beach, which is also very beautiful, and there's the Marabella Resort also. So we're just going to walk around a bit and I'm going to show you the other side, which is more beautiful. So as you can see here, this side is a better looking place. So we're going to just go to this viewpoint. If you started off at the point I started at, you can click some pictures of this place here. So as you can see, this spot is incredible and it's empty, guys. So there's just a few people in the distance and a couple here, but it's still a very nice place to come and chill out at, especially if you want your privacy. This place is the best place to hang out. And yeah, enjoy Goa, see the beautiful view. The water is really nice and it's not as hot as in the early days. So it's at the moment it's around 12 o'clock. So definitely a cool place to come to. And yeah, the sand is not very clean here. It's because all the dirt of the rains has just come up, so it will get clean after a few weeks. Then this will start to get more white. So guys, that is it from here at Ashwem Beach. It is a really beautiful place. Especially come here in the evening. There's a lot of crowd and it's quite fun in the evening because you'll see a beautiful sunset. They have some of the most incredible sunsets over here. So if you don't want to spend a lot of money, you just want to come here and enjoy yourself in the evening, get a couple of soft drinks, non alcohol, don't drink here, and yes, enjoy yourself. Please don't make this place dirty because it's a really clean, beautiful place, as you can see.